I am very particular about people who take chances, right? Because in my experience, I've seen that sometimes you don't get what you are promised, both in your family, in your school, in the society, in the country. You are told that once you graduate, you have a job, you work with this company and that company, but most of the time it doesn't turn out that way. And so I have a motto that I always tell young people, and that motto is sound your own gun. Can you say it?
Sound your own gun.
You are saying it crazy.
Sound your own gun.
And what I mean by that is what we did today. So, just because it is called ushers doesn't mean you are just focused on going to give people something, maybe seminar materials, or going to serve them food or drinks and all that. No! It has changed. Things are no longer that way. I was telling one of the interviewees today how in a bank, when the bank was sending people away, so there is this banker that was a pianist. And during prayers, which is just maybe I think once a week in the morning, he would play the piano. And when the original head came, people were being laid off. And the regional head said, you know what, his name was actually amongst those that would be laid off because his bank or branch manager thought that he should go and do music. He's always here playing the piano, right? And the regional head said, you know what, after the visit and the very short prayer, he said, you know what, I think this guy should be promoted to the headquarters. Not because he was a perfect banker that they wanted, because a banker should be a mathematician and focus and accountant and all that. He played the piano and it suited the spirit of the head that came. And that gave him an opportunity. So just because it is ushers, like I was telling most of you might go to an event and the event is boring, or it is not starting, or there is a problem, there is technical issues and all that. The team might have dancing group, singing group, poetry group, whatever group, drama group. You should be ushers with swag. Ipotamalu media. You want to go? So that any event you attend, if they are supposed to pay people 2.5 million, they will make it 4 million because the services were just perfect. People are happy, the event is orderly, the event is organized, things are happening, nobody is boring, nobody is sad, beautiful faces, young people showing their energy, seizing opportunity, you know how to sing, you sing, don't wait until they say, Nkechi, come and sing for, you will wait forever. Sound your gun, seize opportunity. Do not wait to be introduced to the organ, introduce yourself. Do not wait to be pampered. And it's no longer that way anymore. Before, when someone graduates, the community will organize party. Does it happen again? Because almost everybody is now a graduate. I am a master's degree holder and I'm a performance poet. Right? Master's degree holder, nobody asks you that one. If you like, do PhD 10 times. You must learn how to use it. Otherwise, you only have papers beautifully kept in files that are in your cupboard, looking at you. So you must seize opportunity, you must uplift yourself. Do not always feel low because I am from here, or I am from the other place. This person is well dressed, her hair is. Somebody like me, I always sell my markets, and that is what I want young people to do. So if you are chosen, beautiful. If you are not chosen, choose other volunteerism jobs or opportunities. Grab them. There are many things online. Search for them. Grab them. Very soon you'll be invited to different places. You would think it is just usher. No. There was this policeman in Abapa that was always neat and you knew when he trended because he was just perfect and doing a lot. So what I'm saying is sound your gun. If you don't have anything you are going home with today, go home with sound your gun and learn how to seize opportunity proudly. Nobody is going to beat you. Don't always be nervous. The world will not need nervous people anymore. No more chance for people that are scared and nervous and waiting for people to come and carry them. Nobody does that anymore. Always seize the opportunity. They are looking for a singer you don't know how to sing, and you can raise Aka Marama so that they will respond. Carry the microphone. Once you shout, Aka Marama Ganga Kuru Chineke Mo. Are you not singing already? Thank you very much.